Hi guys, today we're gonna make a clamp like this. So I'll teach you how it works. Guys, can you see the middle arm moving? Now let's see what we need to make our clamp. Doesn't these two look like beds? And we need 5 nuts, 3 washers, and 2 pieces like this and 1 piece like this. And these two go in the sides like this, and this goes in the middle, and we need 2 pieces like this and 1 thread bar. Now we are going to secure the thread bar right here. We have welded 2 nuts into 2 washers, and we are going to fix them on this piece like this. We are going to do cuttings on both sides to secure screws. We are going to attach this here using epoxy glue. You can see we have attached 2 washers on both sides here and here, and we have drilled here, here, here and here, and now we are going to attach these 2 pieces together by screws like this. because this goes up and down, we are going to attach railings like this, and we are going to use these two pieces and they are going to go like this. This is a tip. Always remember to flatten the sharp end of the nail or else it will crack the wood piece. The pieces that look like beds go here like this to prevent the movements of this piece. We have finished our clamp. Now let's see how it works. So I have to put it here. Okay. Okay. Now this one. Okay, that's enough. Our clamps are fine. It can hold up to 30 kilograms of pressure. And if you like our video, hit the bell button and subscribe and give us a thumbs up too. Bye guys!